Do you have someone in your Snapchat group chat that you'd like to remove? In this quick and easy tutorial, I will show you step by step how to quickly remove someone from your Snapchat group chat. All it takes is a few simple taps and you can get rid of unwanted participants fast. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Snapchat app and then go over to the chat screen by tapping on the chat icon at the bottom. So the thing is that, Snapchat is a bit different than other social media platforms when it comes to group chats. You basically don't have the ability to remove a specific person from your group chat, even if you created it. So if you tap and hold the Snapchat group chat, you'll see a couple of options, and if you tap on chat settings, you'll get options like clearing group chat from the chat feed and changing the notification sound, but as you can see, there is no option to remove specific people from your group. Even if you open up the group chat, there is no option to remove people. But there is a simple workaround if you want to stop interacting with people that you don't like in the group chat. So what you want to do is tap and hold their name, then tap on Manage Friendship, and then you can simply tap on Block. And that will block them, and any message that you send to the group chat will not be available for them to read and respond to. You can also tell other people in your group to do the same thing and block that specific person that you don't want in your group chat. And the last thing that you can do to completely avoid that specific person is by creating a new Snapchat group chat. So to do that, you can tap on the blue icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on New Group. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.